Let's see. All right, without further ado, let's head over and start building. Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. I want to build a beauty for you today. It's for Anthony. It's look really cool. It's in the Be Quiet case. We've built this quite a bit. You guys love it. It's a nice case. And we're building it an i9 plus 3080 build. So yes. I think we did 2 or 3 little minor upgrades. We're gonna run 3 of the Enermax fans in here. I think we might put 2 of the Be Quiet for exhaust up top, and then have the one Enermax in the back. And they're on the front rad, so it's gonna look really cool. It's been a really nice build. Anthony's a beauty over there. So today's build is an i9 10850K, 10-core CPU from Intel. We're cooling with the Enermax Aquafusion 360 AIO. Beautiful AIO. With 3 front fans that look really nice with the Be Quiet. We've got the Z590 ASUS Tough Wi-Fi board. One of my favorite boards right now for the Z590 platform. We've got Team Delta RGB RAM. We quoted 3200 megahertz. We're putting in 3600 megahertz for him with faster RAM. No complaints there. For storage, we've got a Crucial P2 1TB drive. Our video card today is going to be the EVGA RTX 3080 XC3 Ultra. Our favorite cards from EVGA. We're putting this all in the beautiful Be Quiet Pure Base 500DX. You've seen this case a lot. It's really nice, really good airflow, really quiet. Love this case. One of our favorite cases around $100. We're powering with an EVGA Supernova 850 watt GA. And then we've got 4 Enermax Aquafusion squaw fans. We'll have 3 in the front, 1 on the rear exhaust, and we'll have 2 140 top exhausting fans. They look really clean. It's gonna look really nice. So we got plenty of airflow, plenty of power in the system. We're gonna head over and get started. We got a lot to do today. We're gonna be working on our Intel cores this week. I think on Wednesday we might try and build the core, and then on Friday we might be building Tickletons. Let's see. All right, without further ado, let's head over and start building. Build this beautiful motherboard. Got the bullet sponge. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you for everything you do in this community. Appreciate that, man. The little cap there, just protect the socket. So the reason why Intel and AMD are different, AMD actually has the pins on top of the chip, while Intel has the pins on top of the motherboard. So you'll typically see if you have like a bent pins on a motherboard, it'll be on Intel. You know, bent pins, it'll be on their chips, the Ryzen chips, and CPUs. So that's why they have that there. It protects the chips from getting like damaged in transit, or the pins from getting damaged in transit. I'm sorry. Remember, it's a Z590. This is a Z590 gaming. Tough board from ASUS. It's a nice board. Very nice board. It's probably our favorite like mid-level board right now. Full-time AJ, yes indeed. Yeah, we'll be doing full-time. We'll be in our Discord a lot, hanging out, getting all our quotes done. He starts effective tomorrow, so I'm excited for that. That's a big hype. That's a big help. AJ is going to be, AJ is AGCP in the chat. Once in a while, see AJ in here. He's actually a different time zone. So usually you'll see him more in the afternoons. But he's always in our Discord in the afternoons. That's the great thing about it, is like, when I get on stream, he's always available and we're always tag team and stuff, so. $2K is a very good budget. $2K is a very good budget in this economy. You get a really good system. We have 3060 Ti Asus Strix right now that are going around $2,000, and that's in those systems. That's beauty. Sergeant Stash, it looks good. Gaming PC and a laptop, you'll get better quality out of a desktop. 100% down. So I had this conversation with somebody who's who messaged us on Facebook the other day. They said, Stince, what's the difference between a gaming desktop and a gaming laptop? Gaming laptops sometimes are a little bit more, sometimes they're all the same price. What can I expect in performance? Well, first off, gaming laptops tend to overheat really quickly. For them to boost to those desired boost rates for the graphics card and for the CPU requires a lot of heat. That's going to give off a lot of thermal issues. So in those little laptops, that's why you see a lot of them are trying to do these really adaptive cooling, better ways to cool them, because they can't run those higher core frequencies very long. The performance of a laptop will actually fluctuate in gaming. You'll see, why are my frame rates dipping? Why are my frame rates going higher? Why are they getting lower? Well, in those times where it can't really hit those high boost clocks, you're going to be running a little bit less quality. So in that the same time, a desktop will hitting those peaks a lot longer because you have adequate cooling. Those are just one of the minor things you'll see. The killer helmet case. Todd, I'm not sure if I'm playing Tarkov tonight or if I'm going to play on Wednesday. I think I'm going to do Warzone Wednesday and Tarkov on Monday nights. I do try to play a little bit now. Now we have AJ starting full time. I'm going to try and do some more gaming streams here. Let's see how I feel today after the stream. I want to play some more Tarkov. I've been on fire in Tarkov lately. Do you want to see how hype I am right now? This is the first time in 3 to 4 plus months we have cards available to go into systems right away. We're not waiting on backlogs or back orders. I'm pumped. We're getting cards and we're getting more allocation of cards. We're starting to see more flow of cards, which means we can push things out, which means we can hire more people to push the systems out even faster. So I'm really excited about that. We're doing really, really good. We got some really cool things coming. The Intel cores are coming soon too. We bought all the parts for the Intel cores. We're starting the Intel cores on our website coming soon. Things are just, I'm excited. So I think I quoted him only 4 fans. We're gonna keep the 2 factory ones in the top, and we're gonna we actually added one more fan for him, just for that plenty of cooling in here, because it is definitely, it's gonna have some heat. We're gonna 3080 in the i9, so it definitely will cool very well. Plenty of RGB, like subtle, nice RGB accents. It'll look really sharp, really sharp. It's different too. Like a lot of people use like a lot of the same fans every time. We're always using different components. I think it's something you guys notice a lot in our builds is we don't always use the same. Like I'll see the other builders, they'll use like the same 3 or 4 sets of fans in every single build, and just like gets boring. And we're a little more boutique than that. So we use a lot of different types of fans. Like these squat fans we haven't used in a couple months, so they're different. It's a big thing. Trying to always create stuff that's a little different than other people. So it's been fun. Alright, we start wiring some of this RGB up, and then we're gonna put the power supply in, work on the fans, part connectors. We're doing good. Yeah, I mean, we're honestly, the only difference really between us and what you'll find, well, honestly, we will beat, because unless you can get them for retail price, we're always gonna beat a lot of like your DIY right now, because you're not gonna get it, unless you can get a card, it's the hardest thing right now. On top of that, you're usually paying the same exact price you would, and we're building it, so you know, you get my cable management, which you know me, I'm a stickler for cable management. And you're getting the quality and the performance of what we know are good quality components. So you're not getting any gray market parts or anything like that too. So we won't put you in any crap stuff. That's one of the biggest things that I pride ourselves on, is we're not putting junk in your PCs. On top of that, we're doing all the installation with all the right hardware, and we're doing all the BIOS. We do BIOS updates on all the new AMDs as well. So you're making sure you're getting all the best performance out of the AMD chipsets. All your drivers, game ready drivers, they're all ready to go. So pretty much when you turn on your PC, you install your games, you install your Discord, and you're playing within, let's say, 20-30 minutes. Warzone, maybe an hour or two. Let's get you all the wire management in the back real quick. And then we're gonna get the graphics card out, get you guys ready for that. Alright, here we go. Thickness time. Hold on to your butts. F&C. Wait, F&C, 54 subs? What? Did he just give out 54 subs? Did he just give out 54 subs? We get some hearts for FLC in the chat. Holy cow. I think that's the most gifted subs of all time. Beers, 10 tier 1 subs. How have we not hit it? Rivver, 10 tier 1 subs. Holy cow, you guys are insane. Are we doing our second build today? How far away are we from the second build? Did we hit it? Did we hit the second build today? Alright guys, ready to boot this one up. I guess I'm gonna build a second one today. You guys leave me no choice. There's the back. Look at that, nice and clean. Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us the love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.